24th of September 2025 National March. There's concerns about looting. A lot of people raised concerns. Guys, please don't loot. Please don't destroy the little that we have. Please don't break into certain businesses. Please don't destroy the infrastructure. Please don't. And Nami, I'm saying, Guti, that should not be done. We should not destroy. We should not loot. And one of the reasons why I'm attending the National March is to make sure, the ones I'm with or the ones I'm standing next to, they will not go out there and destroy businesses or destroy infrastructure or loot or do whatever just to break infrastructure. That's one of the reasons why I'm attending. There's 50 people, especially white people, who are concerned about looting. Now, if you don't attend, if you are concerned but you don't attend to protect those businesses, then if minalang vimbe kona, who do you expect to protect on the other side? If I am protecting businesses that I see with my eyes, then who should protect those that I don't see with my eyes? If you don't attend. This is not a black thing. We're not going there because of we are blacks, we are bored. It's a national march, meaning black, white, colored, Indian. As long as you are South African and as long as you are unhappy with the government, attend this march. Even if you are not part of the youth, for the fact that you have nieces, for the fact that you have kids, for the fact that you stay in South Africa, for the fact that you are part of the solution here in South Africa, attend that march. It's a national march. National march. I see it in LA as black people carrying your guys' message. I can't go there and say, hey, there's a comment in Twitter that says guys should not loot. They'll ask me, who's that? Why is that person not here to protect these businesses? And why are you not there, Vele, to protect? Why are you not there to help me? Be there and help me protect those businesses so that they cannot be looted. Be there and help me to protect the infrastructure so that it cannot be damaged. But if you are not there and you expect me to, be there and let's work together. Be there and let's work together. I repeat, it's not a black thing. It's not a black march. It's not a black problem march. It's not we're solving a national government. So if you are part and parcel of this country that you call South Africa, you are expected to be there. You are expected, Naranjan. And if you are not there, then you have no right to come here and say, I told you guys this thing of yours will never work. How did you expect it to work if we're Nauk? Don't come here and say, yeah, I knew these people would loot. How do you expect people not to loot if you are not there to help me protect the infrastructure from being destroyed and to protect the businesses from being looted? Let's be there. Let's be there.